Hey, it's Tom Gallagher. Welcome to another episode of The Story Behind the Car, or in this case, a truck. We're looking at a 1970 Chevy Custom, and we're with John. And John, can you tell us a little bit about your truck?
1970 C10. I've had it probably 3 or 4 years. How long, hon? 3 years. Just kind of redid everything this winter. Roadster shop chassis, LS3 transmission, all that kind of good
Oh,
stuff.
wow.
Just made it a driver.
Well, it's more than a driver if it's got a Roadster shop.
Yeah, it drives real well.
It is amazing, the detail. I saw this truck maybe 4 or 5 weeks ago at another show, but I couldn't. You actually were there, but you were talking to some people, and there were a lot of people coming around to hear about your truck, I'm sure.
And actually, I bought it this color. I didn't paint it.
Oh, really?
That's the paint job it came with, and that's really what motivated me to buy it. I like the colors and the paint, and here we are.
And were the wheels and tires on it, or did?
No, we did all new shot wheels. It's got the hidden lugs on it, so that center cap comes off and exposes the lugs so you can take it off.
And does the center cap, is that unscrew?
Yep.
Wow.
So then the lugs, you can kind of see a little gap right there, and then the lugs are under that piece.
Oh, wow.
Piece comes out.
Oh, yeah, I can see the line right here.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yep.
And what is this color combination, do you know?
I don't know. It's pretty close to the original, because we pulled the carpet and everything out. It was really close to this color. So I think it's real close to an original factory color.
Yeah, and is that a Snowden seat?
It is. And then we redid the door panels and stuff. Actually, Rich Luter and Forstel.
Okay.
Everything together.
Yeah, I did a 67 GTO that's a neighbor of Rich's.
Yep.
And
You know who they are.
yeah.
Yeah, Rich does a great job.
I had a 41 Chevy truck that Rich's dad, when I bought it, it had like cloth or velour seats or whatever. And so I had him do leather on them.
Yep.
They do really, really nice work.
Yeah, I'm going to have them redo that Nova for me, and Mom and Dad do the interior.
And can I open the door? Is that okay?
So,
Wow.
I drive it pretty much every day. I got it back in late April, and I've got almost 6,000 miles on it. So,
Oh, really?
yeah.
And do you primarily go to car shows, or do you take it on trips, or?
No, I just drive it pretty much every day to work.
Daily?
And whatever. If it's not raining or snowing out, I'm usually driving it.
Yeah.
We really don't usually enter car shows too much.
Yeah.
Actually, never. We went to Des Moines Good Guys.
Okay.
This year, first time. It was really neat.
Yeah.
It was a blast. So,
Now, was it factory air, or is that?
originally it was, but we put the vintage air and
Yeah.
everything in it. So
I just wasn't sure if these were factory or not.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, the dash and everything, the inside, that's the color it was when I got it. I mean, it's chipped up. It's not a show truck by any means, and it keeps getting more chipped up.
Yeah.
That's
Well,
why
it's,
I got it. I like to drive it.
yeah, you sure have a nice one.
Thanks. Yeah, and then we just left this.
Okay.
So actually the gas tank's in the back. It's behind the,
Oh, really?
yeah.
That is so cool. I've seen those before on YouTube, but I've never seen one in
Yeah.
real life.
It took a little bit to get it to work. It didn't. I just swap out gas tanks to get it to work, which wasn't fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I like the original look.
Yeah.
I got, like I said, I got 69 Camaro, and it looks stock except for when you open the hood and so forth. But I just like the stock look of the old cars.
Yeah. And I see you got the genuine imitation wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Any plans for any other changes or updates?
No, actually, a little bit here and there, just maintaining stuff, but I don't plan on really doing much else. Nothing else major.
It doesn't look like it needs anything.
I just redid the grill. Took like the factory grill out and put this one in. I honestly am not 100% sure I love it yet.
Yeah.
We're stuck with it now.
Is it a different year of a grill or?
It's an aftermarket.
Okay.
Some company makes them and makes it mimic, you know, the original second gen grill.
Well, it looks like a very nice grill to me.
Yeah, it looks good.
And the engine bay is so nicely detailed and organized.
Rich does a good job hiding everything. And
Yeah.
just making it neat and tidy, and it runs great. Hasn't left me stranded yet.
There you go. Well, thank you so much for telling us the story behind your truck, and we greatly appreciate it.
Sure. Thanks, Tom.